Hello everyone, this is Guru Prasan K from 3D Fully Design. This is a picture of a wheelchair mainly used for patients, physically disabled people and handicaps which we usually see in hospitals. Here I would like to demonstrate this type of wheelchair in 3D and some animation features of it. These pictures only for reference. Here you could see a basic manual wheelchair with its all parts named. First and foremost, let's open and view assembly of the 3D wheelchair. This is a motorized 3D wheelchair. Let's look at its overall sizes and dimensions, that is length, height, width. Here you could see the detailing of this 3D wheelchair assembly. All dimensions are in millimeters and third angle projection has been used. In the first sheet, 3 orthogonal views, that is front, top and right views with overall dimensions of length 1017, height 916 and width 690, and an isometric view is placed in shaded mode. In sheet 2, there is a partial exploded 3D view, a bill of material table with 16 items plus part name and quantity along with associated item number balloons. We do 2D and 3D trainings for students. Let's display each wheelchair assembly parts one by one sequentially by using 3D display states. Let's begin with wheelchair 3D animations. Animation 1. This is a simple clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation animation about the y-axis. Animation 2. This is an animation of height show, zoom in, zoom out, view orientation manipulation and of applying rotary motors. Animation 3. Here the wheelchair rotates isometrically in 4 orientations and then it rotates to cover all the standard orthogonal views and finally rotations of footrest, caster wheels and the main wheels. Animation 4. This is a 360-degree camera view rotation animation with shadows and with small pauses in between. Animation 5. This is of assembly exploding and collapsing. Ultimately, the motion animation of a wheelchair to a distance of 5 meters with a man sitting on it. The same motion animation in a different angle and orientation. The same motion animation in a different view orientation. My 3D certifications. I do 2D and 3D workshops for students. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.